Allah is merciful, Allah is kind. Allah is merciful, Allah is kind. Things at school in Arabic. Assalamu alaikum. I'm going to learn some Arabic words. Will you join with me? Come on, let's go to my school. The Arabic word for school is madrasatun. Say with me, madrasatun, school. Let's go in. Do you know what is table in Arabic? Maktabun, table. Say with me, maktabun, table. This is my bag. Haqibatun, bag. Repeat, haqibatun, bag. Let's take a paper from my bag. Waraqun, paper. Repeat, waraqun, paper. I'm going to draw something. I need a pencil. Mursamun, pencil. Repeat, mursamun, pencil. What do you need to sharpen your pencil? Do you know? Yes, sharpener, mibratun. Repeat, sharpener, mibratun. What do you need to draw some straight lines? Yes, ruler, mistaratun, ruler. Say with me, mistaratun, ruler. Oh, the line is too long. I need to correct it. Let me take my eraser. Mimhatun, eraser. Say with me, mimhatun, eraser. Yes, I drew a book. Kitabun, book. Say with me, kitabun, book. I like reading books. Let's cut the edges with the scissors. Makassun, scissors. Say with me, makassun, scissors. There is a pen on the table. Qalamun, pen. Repeat, qalamun, pen. I think this belongs to my teacher. Let me help to give it to her. We should return things to their owners. Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, whoever claims something that does not belong to him is not one of us. Okay friends, let's pack my bag. Can you find Qalamun? Where is it? Qalamun, qalamun, qalamun. Yes, here it is. Can you find Mimhatun? Mimhatun, Mimhatun, Mimhatun. Yes, Mimhatun. Where is Mirsamun? Can you find it? Mirsamun, Mirsamun. Yes, Mirsamun. Where is Kitabun? Can you find it? Kitabun, Kitabun, Kitabun. Yes, Kitabun. Where is Mibratun? Can you find it? Mibratun, Mibratun, Mibratun. Yes, Mibratun. Where is Mirkason? Can you find it? Mirkason? Mirkason? Yes, Mirkason. Where is Mr. Ratun? Can you find it? Mr. Ratun? Mr. Ratun? Yes, Mr. Ratun. The last one is Varakun. Okay, friends, it's time to go home. Subscribe, like, and don't forget to comment.